Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is the FM transmitter. So you can see the one that we got right here from this brand. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside right here, you can see they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it as well. Next up right here, they do provide guys a aux cable. And the last thing inside right here is actual product. So we have to take it out. Here is basically what the product looks like. So pretty much in the middle right here is the display screen, and right here you see we do have a few outlets. So we do have a USB-C option and a USB option right here in the bottom. And I do want to mention for the USB-C option right here, it is power delivery, and the USB option right here is quick charge 3.0. And then for this one, you can basically plug in like a USB flash drive. That one does not work as a charger option. And right here we do have a base button, and here we do have the call button if you guys want to make calls. And you do have the option right here to adjust the different settings in terms of volume right here as well. And I believe throughout the pod on the side right here, it should light up once you guys do plug it in. When you guys turn on to the side, right here we do have an aux option. And right here we do have the button for you guys to turn on or turn off the LED light, which is in the front like I mentioned. And right here on top is basically the built-in mic. So they do have dual mic right here, so that way you can get a really clear audio when you guys are using it for making calls. And right here we do have an up and down button that I'm assuming you can use for like tuning the FM radio when you guys do connect it. And then right here in the back is basically where you have to plug it into the car charger, so that way you can activate the product. And then for the overall product, it does give you guys the option to connect onto Bluetooth as well. So definitely a pretty awesome product how it actually allows you guys to connect it in multiple ways. Either using a USB flash drive option or an aux cable, or you can use Bluetooth to connect it once you guys to connect it using the FM transmitter. And if you guys are curious the power that's on here, the power delivery is 30 watts max. And the USB option, the max is 18 watts. So definitely will charge the device really fast when you guys do use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go plug this in to test it out to show you guys how it works and when it should work first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so once you guys plug it in, here is basically what the product looks like. So right now we do have it at 106.8. So if you guys want to change the channel right here to a different number, you basically want to long press it. And now you can start changing it. So let's turn the knob. Now you can change it to whatever you guys want. And whatever you guys set on here is basically what you guys want to use. So let's go to FM radio. And once you guys set right here, you basically want to change the channel that you do have. So right now we do have it set at 99.6. And there's no 99.6, so let's change it to 99.5. Alright, so now we have it set right here. And basically what you guys want to do right now is connect it onto Bluetooth. So I'm going to do that first. So we got connected. If you guys play a song on here. Alright, so we got connected. It's basically playing on here. And we're using station 99.5. And we got connected right here. But you basically have the option to control the setting on here, or you can also control it on here as well. And if you guys press on the bass button, that will either turn on or turn off the bass if it's in here. So really cool how it should give you guys the option available on here. And if you guys press on the button on the side right here, that is basically how you guys turn on or turn off the light option. If you guys press on the button on the side, that is how you guys skip the song or go back to the previous song. If you guys press right here, that is how you guys play and pause the music. So it's definitely really cool how it give you guys all those options available. But now let's try to plug in a cable right here to test it out to show you guys when it actually works. So let's try the USB-C option first. And we'll plug it into my power bank that we do have right here. Alright, so you see it definitely does work. It is currently charging a power bank that we have right here. But now let's try the other outlet with the USB option. So I do have my USB cable right here, USB to lightning cable. So once we plug that in, we'll unplug the other side to our phone. You can see that works as well. So not only does the product work as an FM transmitter option, but you guys also use it as a charger as well. And right underneath that, like I mentioned, you do have the option to connect it using a USB flash drive, or you can use the aux cable as well. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do plug it in. You can see it definitely does work. And obviously when you guys use it in darker setting, it'll look a lot better for the light right here. So you can see when I do bring it over to a darker setting, it actually looks a lot cooler, and probably look even cooler in person when you guys do see it. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. Welcome back guys. So nice and quick test of product, and definitely actually does work, actually worked quite well. You can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. Once you guys do plug it in and change like the FM radio station to the right one that's on the device, you can basically connect your device onto the actual product and start using it. And you guys can also use the output to recharge the device if you guys do want to as well at the same time. And on top of all that, like I mentioned, it does have the built-in mic, so that way you can make calls on here if you guys do want to get that hands-free experience. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's just worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality FM transmitter. So that way you can listen to your music, but also give you guys the option to charge the devices at the same time. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.